In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number in Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and go to Yahoo's website. Sign in to your Yahoo Mail account using your usual login details. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, because the phone number you update will be linked to this specific account for security and recovery purposes. Once you're logged in and you can see your inbox, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon or your initial there. Click on that profile icon. A small menu will drop down. From this menu, choose the option that takes you to your account information or account settings. This is where Yahoo keeps your personal details and security options. On the account page, find and select the section related to security or account security. Yahoo sometimes may ask you to verify your password again before letting you into this area, and that's completely normal. Go ahead and confirm your password if prompted. This extra step helps protect your account when you're about to change important details, like your phone number. Inside the security or recovery section, look for your current phone number listed under recovery options or sign-in options. You should see the number that's already linked to your account. Next to it, there will usually be an option to edit, change, or manage that number. Click on that. Now you'll be able to update your phone number. Carefully type in your new number, making sure you include the correct country code if needed. Double-check for any typos, because this number can be used to reset your password or receive security alerts. When you're sure it's correct, save or confirm the change. Yahoo will often send a verification code to the new phone number you just entered. Keep your phone nearby, wait for the text message, then type the code into the verification box on the screen. This step confirms that you really have access to that new number. Once the code is accepted, your new phone number is officially linked to your Yahoo Mail account. Finally, take a quick moment to review your recovery options on the same page. Make sure your backup email and any additional numbers are up to date. This will make it much easier to recover your account if you ever get locked out. And that's it. You've successfully changed your phone number in Yahoo Mail.